Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily change your Facebook's phone number, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open your Facebook app and then tap right here in the top right corner. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Once it takes you here, tap on Account Center. Go to your personal details, tap on Contact Info, and you should find your phone number right here. Just tap on it. Once you do, tap on Delete Number right here and then tap on Delete. Just like that, you have deleted the first phone number. Now tap on Close, tap on Add New Contact to add the new one, tap on Add Mobile Number, and then from here type in the number that you want to add. Once you're done, tap on the account right here and then tap on Next. It will ask you to enter your password for the Facebook account. Once you do that, you receive a code, a confirmation code. You'll need to type it in the next screen right here. Once you do that, just tap on Next in the bottom, wait for a second, and just like that, you have changed your phone number for that Facebook account. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.